just found the baby, one of the babies anyway, our kangaroo paw plant. Is that the cutest or what? It's looking around. Mama's sure to show up here any second now. Where's your mommy? Where's your mom? You probably don't dare go out there because there's mom. There's mom.
Yep.
Here she comes. Oh my gosh. How amazing is that? Oh, she's taking some of the nectar from the kangaroo paw flower. See? And she's gonna go.
God, isn't it?
Oh my gosh, I gotta send this to Janet. Oh, that is so cute. Where's the other baby though? That's what my curiosity is.
It's getting a lot of nectar from the
Oh,
kangaroo.
wait. Oh yeah, she's still taking nectar out of the flowers. I was thinking, well, maybe the baby was there somewhere. She's getting lots of nectar. There she went, over the top.